the machine breaking? All right?
Working fine now, yes.
Could you do me some extra large?
Mrs. Mrs Siddiqui runs a garment factory in Great Ducey Street, the centre of the warehouse world of the city of Manchester.
Really quickly. Susan, can you just hang on a minute? I think you're not cutting it on the line because it does make the difference in the sizes. So could you just watch me how I do?
In 1950, Mushtari arrived with her husband in England as a young mother with 2 infant sons. When her father-in-law died in 1955, the allowance from Pakistan stopped and she went out to work as a seamstress. 10 years and another 2 children later, she had set up her first factory in a converted church hall in Blackburn. Today, she trains her own staff and markets her own products from her Manchester warehouse. She specializes in tights, socks and underwear and employs 16 girls in the back shop and half a dozen in the front. Mrs. Siddiqui also sends out work to private homes in the Manchester area. Jennifer Carley lives in Didsbury Road. She gave up her job as a qualified chemist to be at home with her 2 young children.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, very well, thanks. But,
how's Jennifer?
Very busy. She's nearly finished. It is Mrs. Siddiqui.
Hello, Jennifer.
I'll leave you 2 to it.
Thank
I'm going
you
up
very
with
much.
the children.
Thank you.
Yes.
How are you doing, Jennifer?
I've just got these few to finish.
Are you doing them all right?
Yes,
Can I just have a look at a few?
Yeah. See?
Oh, yes, they're very nice. Very nicely done. Beautiful.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have bothered you, but I really need them for Christmas. Well, that's why I have come for them myself.
Yes. If you could wait a few minutes, I'll just finish them
yes,
off.
I'll hang on here.
That's all right?
The children in?
Yes. Tim's upstairs with them.
Are they all right?
Yes, fine.
And Tim?
Yes, fine.
Very good. So,
Working at home for Mrs. Siddiqui suits Jennifer. She has no overheads and a machine is provided and maintained free of charge. Sunday morning in Great Ducey Street. The Siddiqui family have taken over something of the grand manner, if not the lifestyle, of the Jewish people who set up the warehouses and developed the trade in this area during the 19th century. They've taken over some of their problems too. The Jewish people settled here in force and injected a much-needed shot in the arm to the British economy. They secured for themselves special dispensation to open their businesses on Sundays, and the Asian community today are carrying on the tradition.
Size 28 hoga, upper size 28 hoga.
I'm over here. Does someone want this one? Is this one if you wanted? Yeah, take it. These? No, there's some here with the long top.
How much is this?
The Hilda, there's some here in the back. Or yes?
The lady said, can she have 6 vests?
No, she can't. She'll have to have a dozen.
The Siddiquis, like me, originally came from the north of India. The partition of India forced them too to leave their native home. Back in the 50s, when they came here, England was still a welcome refuge for people from India and Pakistan. They were grateful for the chance that England offered them. With the help of their family, they put down fresh roots and flourished anew.
9, 10, 11, 12, 15.
16.
16.
Yeah.
16 at that's
95.
£9.50 for 10. Half of £9, 1 second. £9.50 for 10. Half of £9.50 is £4.25. 16.
And the black ones,
Yeah, I'll get you back.